One of the things I've learned over the years of owning and operating an airplane is that plane maintenance is not like car maintenance. It kind of lives in its own alternate universe of time. It's not really a drop it off in the morning and pick it up after work kind of thing. In the case of my Tiger's annual inspection, I dropped it off in early December and picked it up in mid-February. That's over 2 months. And it's due to multiple factors. Sometimes the shops are just really busy and you just have to get in line and wait until they can work on your plane. You also have to order and have parts shipped to you. But also I found that just about anything plane related that you have to work on, it always takes a lot longer than you think it would. The day has finally arrived. I'm waiting on Ali Reza to come pick me up in his Tiger, and we're gonna fly up to Northern California to pick up my Tiger, where it's been for the last 2.5 months, mostly waiting, but also getting its annual inspection done at Gary Vought's shop, AU Country. And I'm super excited to bring her back home.
So apparently Ali Reza has a belated Christmas gift for me.
I do.
Actually, it could be my birthday gift, considering my birthday was 2 days ago.
That's right. Hey, it was like a birthday present.
Like a dual combo.
Yeah.
I hope it's not like some exploding gag gift.
Well, not in the airplane. And to open it, you can use the credit card I paid for it with.
Can I keep it afterwards?
No,
that would be a good gift, actually.
Matter.
Oh, hell yes. Nice. Check this out.
And it's custom.
My new favorite mug by far.
It's custom. It has your registration and your paint scheme.
I know, this is amazing. Dude, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
I want to pause this video briefly just to thank my Patreon subscribers, Scott Crawford and Tom S. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And if anyone else is interested in joining me on Patreon, you can find the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
I apologize, but I've been really bad about filming this trip up to Auburn to get my Tiger from Annual. I'm actually on the way back to Whiteman. I'm about an hour away. I was kind of rushing a little bit at Auburn to fly back because I didn't want to land at Whiteman after dark. Mainly because the winds there are a little squirrely right now, and I don't really feel like doing that in the dark, especially after having not flown for 2.5 months. I don't know about you guys, but if I haven't flown for 3 weeks, I can already feel my rust. Alright guys, we're about 15 minutes out from landing at Whiteman. It's been a pretty smooth flight so far, knock on plastic here. Right now the winds at Whiteman are showing 090, 10, gusting 15, and right now we're going to land on runway 12. SoCal approach, Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, starting our VFR descent from 9,500 and with kilo at Whiteman.
Number 244 Echo Romeo, SoCal approach, altimeter 3023.
3023 for Echo Romeo. Hey guys, we're about 11 minutes out from Whiteman. We're descending, and I'm excited because I have a nice cold beer or two waiting for me in my hangar.
Number 4 Echo Romeo, runway 12, clear to land.
Well, we're back. After almost 2.5 months, the Tiger is back.
So I've had the plane back for about a week now, and the weather's kind of crappy today, so I thought I'd do a little hangar flying and show you guys some of the stuff that was done during the annual inspection. I got new tires. Both the left and right main tires needed replacement, so I got some brand new Michelin Airs. Not the sexiest of upgrades, but it's good to have. I also got a new tail nav light. The one I had before was out. I also got a new end cap for my passenger side footstep. It had been missing ever since I bought the plane. Probably the biggest upgrade I did this year was I went from a 121.5 ELT to a 406 ELT. I often do some flying in some pretty remote areas, so it's good to know that I have a better chance of being found, plus being found much quicker than I would have if I had the older ELT. Plus, a 406 ELT is now mandatory when flying into Mexico. I've been wanting to take the Tiger down to Mexico for a long time. Me and Carla love it there, and well, she's from there. So I'm really looking forward to doing some really cool adventures and obviously making some fun videos about it. In the engine compartment, Gary cleaned up some of the wiring to make it a little more tidy and also to make more room for accessing the oil filter. This is the oil pressure transducer. It used to be located on the opposite side of the engine compartment. Gary moved it over here and also put in a shorter oil pressure hose. You can see also he's moved all the ground wires up here to the engine mount. Previously they were just not as tidy and located on the vacuum filter mount. So it's just a much cleaner setup back here and also a lot more easy access to the oil filter. And that's it. And I just want to say, I know I've been posting infrequently lately, and it's been a very weird year between coronavirus, the California wildfires, not having this plane for the last 2.5 months. I just want to say thank you for sticking it out and being here and supporting my channel. I'm looking forward to some cool flying adventures coming up.